My name is Jed McKeehan, and today we're going to talk about what it means to continue a case. So I would be lying to you if I told you that the legal system in America is fast moving. Sometimes cases take many, many years to resolve, and that's whether it's criminal or a civil case, it doesn't matter. Almost always cases drag on longer than you originally think they will. What is the reason for that? Well, there can be many reasons, and when a court date or a trial date is bumped, it is either called a continuance or a resetting of the case. So why are some reasons that a case would be reset? Well, for example, in a criminal case, on a DUI, they may have sent the defendant's blood out for testing. Well, that can take many months sometimes, and when the first court date is set, those blood results may not be back from the laboratory yet. So they will reset the case until those lab results come back and we see what the blood alcohol level is of the defendant. In a civil case, there may be a reason on a divorce case for the case to be reset. Well, they say, well, they're deciding whether or not they're going to get back together or not. We need to bump the trial date. They're not sure whether they want to get divorced yet or not. So they will move off those court dates, often months in advance, to another date in order to give them more time to work on resolving issues that are pending before the court. But continuances or resets, they're very common. Of course, those kind of things have to be granted by the judge. Both attorneys on a case on either side may agree to a continuance of the case, but the judge has to allow them to do so. And some judges are very particular about wanting to get cases done, get them tried and off their docket. But that's one terminology, form of terminology in the legal system that's very common, a continuance or a reset. You can find out more about this legal issue and other legal issues by going to my website, attorney-knoxville.com. You can find me on Facebook and Twitter. You can also view my other YouTube videos.